here's another cool product that was sent to me by HOLEWOR. I hope I'm saying right. I have one of these already. This one is similar to the one I previously did, but I believe it's bigger. Very similar, very bigger. Let's check it out. Let's open it up. It's kind of a big box. It's bigger than the other one. Get it open. Yeah, this is definitely bigger than the other one. Unwrap it. Of course, as always, this packaged very nicely. Yeah, this is definitely bigger than the other one. Here, give you a good look. Sorry. Comes with the instructions, keys. I'm gonna go ahead and play with it for a little while, and then I'm gonna continue the video. It's got a handle like the other one, but it's definitely hard, heavy duty metal. So let me go ahead and play with it and see how I like it. All right, guys, I got it open. It's very similar design as the other model I have. Another cool thing I like about it, comes with batteries. Like everything does not come with batteries. Comes with the power cord in case you lose power or lose battery and you have to open it up. Again, this has code, has a biometric. There's no batteries in it yet, so I'm going to show you where the batteries go and how pretty much how they go in. This one I'll show you here. Let me remove the key. Oops, sorry. It's gonna go. This is gonna pop out right here. There's a little panel here that you have to remove. And there it goes. There it goes. See? There it goes. And then we will take 4 double A's. It also comes with hardware in case you want to mount it. We're gonna put the batteries in. Make sure you put them in the right way. We'll put them right here. Put this here. That goes that way. There we go. This way. And that should power it up. There it goes. You see the lights. And I'm gonna put the clip back in. There you go. There you have it. And then, very cool. So, all right, I'm gonna go over some of these functions here. I put the batteries in, and of course, like I said, it works by key, and it comes with a little thing, little driver. So to set the fingerprint, hit the little button here, and you do it 3 times. And then let's see, does it work? That's how you set it. And you see there's an LED light. Very cool. And then to set, I believe there's, it does not say how many fingerprints it'll use, but you could put 10 different passcodes, 6 digits, I believe. And then you set the password, you hold it. Right now we'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Green. Close it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Works. And then you can set the time. I guess it's, let's see, it's 11:49. That's 11:43 here. Let's see, 11:49. Hit it. It's very cool. They just got the light. And now to reset any of these, I believe you just hold it, and you hold it for I think 5 seconds, and it resets everything. Of course, it comes with the security cable if you want to attach it to something. It comes with the mounting hardware. Very cool, because you can mount this on the wall, as you can see the holes. It's got the handle, and this is where the security cable can lock in at. I usually don't use those, but some people do. Of course, you have the temperature and the humidity. And also, from my understanding, if the battery gets low, you're going to get a low battery. alert. There we go. And then you can use the cable to secure it, to use the power to open it back up and change the batteries. I like this one. It's very similar. On the side here you have the USB-C port. You can change between Fahrenheit. Right now it's on Fahrenheit. You can change it to Celsius by using this and a pen and holding it. But I use Fahrenheit, so I'm not worried about that. So, all right, here's a better look with some pistols inside. This is a 9mm Beretta. This is a compact 45. Fits 2 of them perfectly. You could probably get a couple clips in there. I wanted to show you the display. The display right on looks good. Fits very nicely. I like this one better because you can hold multiple guns in here. And it has 3 different ways of access: passcode, fingerprint, and of course the ever reliable key. Make sure you don't lock these inside the safe. And so, make sure it's accessible and not to the wrong people.